Hello everyone, my name is Caitlin and you're watching Likeable Cocktails. Well, we did it. We managed to make it all the way to December in this crazy, insane year. I honestly can't believe we are already well into the holiday season. But with holiday season comes holiday cocktails. So I'm going to show you one of my absolute favorites. Now the holidays go hand in hand with tradition, and well, my family, we have many traditions that we followed since I was a young child. I try to create my own as well as an adult. And I found that watching The Big Lebowski around this time of year has become one of my adult holiday traditions. And so I created this cocktail called the Little Lebowski, based around the movie and based around the dude's favorite drink, the White Russian. Now the White Russian is a really easy drink to make. Typically it's built in glass, but this version I'm going to shake. We are going to start with kettle on vodka, of course, because you can't have a White Russian without vodka. I'm going to be using 1.5 ounces. Now to deviate from the traditional White Russian recipe, I'm actually going to add a touch of Amaro to our Little Lebowski. Now Amaro is super tasty, especially around the holidays. You have those really nice herbal notes and qualities that are really going to shine in this Little Lebowski cocktail. So I'm going to add about 1/2 ounce. Now to our vodka and our Amaro, of course we need a little bit of a coffee element or it wouldn't be a White Russian. So I've actually made a coffee syrup. I've just basically made a basic simple syrup, a 1-to-1 ratio, and added a touch of instant coffee to that, strained it out, and here I have a nice coffee flavored syrup. I'm going to add 1/2 ounce right into my shaker tin. Now, what makes the White Russian different than the Black Russian, of course, is the introduction of milk. Now, because it's the holidays and because this is a different twist on that cocktail, we're going to be adding eggnog. Now, if you do make your own eggnog, this is a perfect way to showcase it. And if you want to buy it from the store, that's totally fine too. But if you need help with the recipe, please comment down below and I will happily send you my personal eggnog recipe. Now, I'm going to be adding 3 ounces to this cocktail. Now all I have to do is add some ice and shake this up for about 10 seconds. Now to tie this all together, I'm going to add a little bit of fresh grated cinnamon on top. If you just have the powdered stuff at home, that's fine too, just give a little sprinkle. And there you have it, the Little Lebowski, my spin off of the classic White Russian cocktail that the dude so loves to enjoy on The Big Lebowski. Now, I think I'm just missing one thing. Oh yes, much better. Cheers and happy holidays.